everybody, this is just a quick and easy way to throw your hair up. If you already have curls you can work with, which I do from the first tutorial I did. These are falling out though because I've messed with it a lot now, but if you have any kind of curls you can work with, that's awesome. If not, you could lightly curl your hair the way I showed you in the first tutorial. Basically just the ends and the top. So don't even worry about like pinning it all the way up and everything. Just do enough to where you have some curl and then you can put it back. So the first thing that I do is pull out little wisps. And again, this is just an easy way to throw it up. I'm just dividing what I already have going on. Hopefully I am. Okay, there's what I want. And then put this up, the rest of it. Woo! My snap came in done. Okay, pull out more wisps. So say you curl your hair down for a conference in the morning. I need to fix my sleeve. Okay, so let's just try and get this to where it'll stay for a second. Sorry, I gotta fix this or it's gonna drive me crazy. So say you wear your hair down to a conference in the morning and you still have leftover curl. This is what you can do. Okay, so I like these curls. I'm gonna leave them out. Any other pretty curls? Okay, so what we wanna do is just wrap, and then leave our ends out, okay? Pin to hold that piece. I'm gonna put on my glasses so I can see a little better. I don't have to spray, so it's okay. Okay, you see how uneven it is over here? That's okay. Does it have to be perfect? Should I just leave it like this? Okay, so then we want to adjust our curls. Okay, I'm just pinning to hold it in place really right now. Okay, I have these leftover curls that I could put over here. Pin up, pin up, pin up. Okay, it's getting there, I promise. I need a small bobby pin. Kind of just arrange it however you want, but we're just using leftover curls, so it doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, and then my tresemme. I love tresemme when I'm actually styling my hair because it doesn't make it gluey, but it gives you something to work with. Okay. Ooh, I have a lot of frizzies going on back here. Get those pinned up, sprayed up. Okay, you can kind of just pin this up. Let's get this curl fixed. If you have leftover curls, just spray them and push them up in the curl, like the curl direction that they would have been curled originally, and that can help revive them. Let's get that pinned. Okay, so then I have this to work with and I still have my wispies. So I'm just going to pull this back. I still want volume in the front. I wouldn't wear my glasses with this outfit, just so you know. I'm doing it so I can see. Okay, and then these end pieces you can just leave out. There we go, pin that. Okay, and then I'm gonna pin those up with a little bobby pin. Oh my goodness, I promise I'm gonna make it look better. I'm just trying to get the curls up right now and then I'll arrange them a little bit better. now I'm gonna arrange the actual look. We have so many frizzies right now. So that's all the leftover curls up. Literally light, free flowing. Okay, and then I'm gonna pull some of this out a little bit. Ooh, just got a big piece. Okay, and then I'm gonna curl these and pull some more. I like to, even with my hair being up, I like to have pieces out, but I also like it to still kind of cover my ears. I think it's still softer. You see how like right now it's like look right up, but if we pull it out some, it just makes it look softer to me. I don't like it to be tight on my head. Now if I was going for like a slick look, then that would be okay, but okay. So I think that's it. Just a really quick tutorial on how to throw your hair up if you already have curls or waves to work with. If you don't, just curl your ends and curl this little square right here. That's all you need. Pull out pieces. I wish I could see the back of it. Pause really quick. I'll come back in a second. I'm going to check the back and make sure it's okay, and then I'll come back and see you. You just have to keep pulling and arranging. Stretching helps, like pulling apart your curls as they're up there, and then you can spray it. But you see how I'm using this Tresemme? It helps so it doesn't look so hairsprayed to your head. And then you can finish with this. So I'm going to check the back of it first and then come back and show you the back to make sure. Okay, so it looked great in the back. I didn't fix anything. All I did was just spray up the front and get some of the fuzzies that I couldn't see from this far away. And then it's just a really easy way to throw up your hair. So really all I did, if you don't have curls to work with, just curl this square right here, okay? Curl your ends, throw it up, bring it around loosely, but this is how it looks in the back. And you've seen my hair before, it wasn't very curled. It was literally just sprayed in waves. Okay, here's the right side. So this could even be used for a wedding. If you don't like your hair to be that high, you could put it more like right here. The same technique can be used at the bottom of your hair. I was gonna throw this on too if I had time or room, but I don't think we really need to. But you could put that right there or wherever you want to. Or you can put some little fun bobby pins. I got these at Michael's, surprisingly, Michael's craft store. You could put these in there, like right in here, just as a little fun twist, whimsical side. So that's it. That's a really simple way to throw your hair up. Just start with a pod. I hope I explained it well enough, but you start with a pod and just keep wrapping, pinning, pulling apart, spraying. Just be gentle with your hair and it'll work out perfectly when you throw it up. You don't have to have, it doesn't have to be perfect. Like even right now looking at it, it's a little bit to the right, but that's okay. Don't worry. It's easier if you don't concentrate on the perfectness of your hair and just have fun doing your hair. So I hope you like these tutorials. If you want to see more, comment below. Let me know ideas you want to see with long hair and I will be happy to help you in any way I can. If there's specific hairstyles that I've done that you want to see in a tutorial, comment on my Instagram page and let me know which ones. Anyways, thank you so much for your support. I hope to see you again soon.